Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk through how to set up the Fitfolio Size Recommender, the part that helps your customers find their best fit automatically based on your chart data. We'll start by selecting which body measurements you'd like your customers to provide. Fitfolio automatically pulls in the measurement names you defined earlier in your size chart. Just check the ones you want customers to fill in. These will be used for the recommendation calculation. For each measurement, choose the matching system definition from the drop-down list. This step helps Fitfolio understand what each measurement represents. Your customers will still see your original labels, but the system uses these mappings internally to calculate sizes accurately. Below that, you'll find a measurement tips box, where you can guide your customers on how to measure themselves correctly. You can edit the text or upload an image by pasting its URL, which helps customers measure more consistently and improves the accuracy of recommendations. Now let's move on to the calculation models. Fitfolio provides 3 in total, 2 for body-based charts and 1 for item-based charts. If your chart is based on body measurements, you can choose between direct match and with flexibility. Direct match works best for shoes or garments made from non-stretch fabrics, while with flexibility is ideal for stretchable clothing and lets you set a custom elasticity level. If your chart is based on item measurements, Fitfolio uses an AI-driven model that considers the product category, elasticity, fit type, and the customer's fit preference to produce highly accurate results. Let's look at 2 important settings, elasticity and fit type. Elasticity refers to how stretchable the measured circumference area is. For example, if the fabric of the garment is generally stretchy, but the area used for measurement, say, the chest circumference, is made of non-stretch material, then the elasticity should be set according to that specific area. In this case, you should select none. If you're unsure how to calculate elasticity, you can measure the garment's circumference when laid flat and when stretched to its reasonable maximum. The difference between the two gives you a good estimate of its stretch ratio. Fit type should also be chosen based on the measured circumference area. For example, if you have an A-line skirt that flares out but is fitted at the waist, and the waist is the measurement reference for sizing, then you should select slim, not oversize. You'll also see 2 optional switches below. These appear only when the item-based model is selected, since they're designed to fine-tune item-level calculations. Enable strict shoulder. Check if your product requires precise shoulder alignment, for example, jackets, coats, or blazers. And if your garment has an elastic waistband, turn on waist elastic design. This tells the system that only the waist area stretches, while the rest follows the elasticity you've defined. Once everything looks good, check the preview and save your configuration. Remember, the size chart must be active to take effect. You can activate it directly from the size chart list. Now your Fitfolio Size Recommender is ready to help customers find the right size and reduce return rates. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.